How to export plots from Matplotlib with transparent background. I am using Matplotlib to make some graphs, and unfortunately I cannot export them without the white background. In other words, when I export a plot like this and position it on top of another image, the white background hides what is behind it rather than allowing it to show through. How can I export plots with a transparent background instead?
Use the Matplotlib savefig function with the keyword argument transparent equals true to save the image as a PNG file. Of course, that plot doesn't demonstrate the transparency. Here's a screenshot of the PNG file displayed using the ImageImageIt display command. The checkerboard pattern is the background that is visible through the transparent parts of the PNG file.
As a reminder, the plt.savefig should be written before the plt.show, otherwise, a transparent image will be created without the actual plot. For high-quality images,
if you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.